Why, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to a new episode of Horigin Files. So, this one, I want to play a game. Yes, this one, we are going over the origins of the Jigsaw Killer himself, John Kramer. So, let's get into the origins of Jigsaw himself. Live or die, make your choice. Yeah, I'll see you after this. Horigin Files, Jigsaw. First appearance, Saw. Horror series, the Saw franchise. Species, human. Occupation, serial killer. Created by James Wan and Lee Winnell. Portrayed by Tobin Bell. John Kramer, also known as the Jigsaw Killer, was once a regular person, working as an engineer and having a loving wife and a child on the way. However, due to a robbery, his wife Jill miscarried their son, and then John was also diagnosed with brain cancer as a tumour was found in his head. With it being discovered too late, it was too late to operate, and in an attempt to kill himself in a car crash, he survived, gaining a new lease on life and believing that people that do not appreciate life don't deserve life, so began making his final times on Earth count by creating traps with his engineer skills and creating a puppet that he called Billy, which was originally made for his son. He would then kidnap people that don't appreciate life and have them endure deadly games where they would be put into traps and would have to do deadly tasks in order to be free, and if not, they would perish at his hand. Using his puppet Billy would then be videoed on a screen, giving instructions to the victim on what they need to do to survive, giving them the choice to live or die. Over time, Jigsaw recruited some of his former victims and made them his apprentices, many of them being Amanda Young, Dr. Lawrence Gordon, and even a corrupt detective named Hoffman. Some of his apprentices would go on to abuse their power and make some traps unescapable for some victims as they felt that they deserved them. But although what John Kramer is doing is wrong, he believes in his mind that it is right, by teaching those who do not value life a valuable lesson, as he is dying without choice. Also, between the events of Saw 1 and Saw 2, he was believed to have an operation that could save his life. However, after discovering that this was all a scam, he gathered all the people involved in the con and made them pay with deadly games with the help of Amanda. Although Jigsaw presents himself as evil, he does have some good in him, as he does not punish those who do not deserve his games for those who value and cherish life. However, eventually succumbing to his cancer and making one final bid to try and stay alive, when during the events of Saw 3, he is eventually killed by a person who he tells doesn't have to kill him, but does anyway. And there he meets his demise. However, even though he's dead, he had many things put in place, including pre-recorded videos of instructions for all his apprentices to follow and act on his behalf, and still worked from beyond the grave. And there you have it, Horigin Files on Jigsaw. Is there anything I missed about this? Do let me know down in the comments below. And what's your favourite Saw trap or Saw movie? Feel free to share all that down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and to share with your friends. And feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and to hit that notification bell. I have been Random Ross and this has been Horigin Files on Jigsaw. So, until next time, don't have nightmares. Or, as Jigsaw will put it, game over.